Hello and welcome to this part in which we will learn about basic syntax of pointer to functions and type defs and we will learn about uh, passing pointer to functions and returning pointer to functions. Hang on for a second, let me type this. Okay. Is equal to null. Okay, so let's start. So a pointer to function can be written like this. It's a pointer to function, takes an argument integer and returns an integer, and its address is null. We can have another function with similar signature, takes an integer and returns an integer and does something. You can have a body here. Now you can assign this function to the pointer to function, and then if you call this ptr to func, then it will effectively call the code of do it. This is the short way. The correct assignment is using ampersand operator, and this is also more portable. This is long and more portable code. You can also compare two pointers to see if the code address matches, and if the address matches, then ptr to func will execute the same code as do it. Now, how do you return a pointer to function? So suppose you want to return a pointer to function. Okay, then um, say this will return a pointer to function which takes an integer and returns an integer. It will return a function pointer which takes an integer and returns an integer. I'm emphasizing with repetition. Here it returns a function pointer, takes an integer, returns an integer which matches this signature. Okay, so what do you return? ptr to func you can return, or ampersand do it you can return. How do you declare an array of 10 pointers? So you do a type def, then ptr to func will become a type, and then you can initialize the array with nulls or with whatever you wish. Another way to do it is you declare it like this. Then you have 10 element array, and then you can use a loop counter I to index and assign more function addresses to this. So this is the very basic syntax of function pointer, of initializing them, assigning them, comparing them, returning and passing. Passing we have already seen, right, at one place. Otherwise, yeah, passing we have seen. So passing was in fp1.c, not fp2.c. Okay, now passing was in one of the videos I made on another computer where we did the switch one. So how you pass a pointer to func? So suppose I have to use ptr to func here, then how I would call that? So I'll say int pointer ptr to func, and then I will write it argument. So this is how you pass a pointer to function. Okay, so and then you will have to say its name. Okay, so this is how you pass a pointer to function. Okay, this I is u. So this is all about the basic syntax of function to pointers. In our next part, I'll show you the program of qsort. All the time I say that I'll do this, I'll make video on this, but in the end I end up making some other video. But rest assured, our next video is going to be qsort, in which I will show you the callback mechanism, and we will write the cmp or the compare function for the qsort. Thanks for watching the video. If you like this video, then please subscribe to the channel. Thanks.